This is Patricia, and I am traveling for history. Pictured is Thomas James Reeves, who was born in Thomaston, Connecticut, December 9, 1895. He was a U.S. Navy radioman who became the namesake of the destroyer escort USS Reeves. Reeves was killed during the Japanese surprise attack on Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941, and posthumously received the Medal of Honor. Reeves enlisted in the United States Naval Reserve as an electrician 3rd class on July 20, 1917. Released from duty July 21, 1919, he was recalled to active duty and was transferred to the regular Navy April 16, 1920, and served until discharge August 21, 1921. On October 12, 1921, he re-enlisted in the Navy, making it his career, and advanced through the rates to the warrant officer rank of chief radioman. He was serving aboard the battleship USS California when the Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor December 7, 1941. During that attack, the mechanized ammunition hoists in the battleship were put out of commission. Reeves, on his own initiative in a burning passageway, assisted in the maintenance of an ammunition supply by hand to the anti-aircraft guns until he was overcome by smoke and fire, which resulted in his death. For his distinguished conduct, RMC Reeves posthumously received the Medal of Honor. I just want to explain what he did when it says that he supplied by hand ammunition to the anti-aircraft guns. This means that he was part of a line of men who reached down to the hoist for a container of ammunition and handed it to each person until he was able to hand it to the anti-aircraft gunners. Now, it's akin to firefighters having a pail of water and passing it along until they can throw it on the fire. And you want to think about that the passageway was on fire, and these men are handling explosives. It's a level of bravery I can't even imagine. There's a namesake. In 1943, the destroyer escort USS Reeves was named in his honor, and this is his Medal of Honor citation. For distinguished conduct in the line of his profession, extraordinary courage, and disregard of his own safety during the attack on the fleet in Pearl Harbor by Japanese forces on 7 December 1941. After the mechanized ammunition hoists were put out of action in the USS California, Reeves, on his own initiative, in a burning passageway, assisted in the maintenance of an ammunition supply by hand to the anti-aircraft guns until he was overcome by smoke and fire, which resulted in his death. What an extraordinary man. This is Patricia, and I'm traveling for history. Thank you for watching today and helping me honor the men of Pearl Harbor. Until I see you again, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.